What's your name?
My name is Milagros, and what's your name?
I'm Natalie. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Iquitos. Are you from Tacna?
No, I am from Iquitos.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old. Are you?
I'm 19 years old. Is your backpack right?
Yes, it is. Do you study medicine?
No, I study nursing.
Start your laptop.
No, it isn't.
Okay, see you later.
Goodbye.